Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the battery option, so let's tap. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom again, and as you can see we've got the battery percentage option, which is currently turned off. We've got only the battery indicator, so let's simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will allow the battery to show the exact percentage of the usage right next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off the same way, it's up to you which option you prefer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.